One may have heard many stories about people trying to sneak in illegal items through airport security, from hiding gold in soap bars to using chocolate chips to smuggle cocaine. The list is vast. But have you ever heard anybody trying to use a baby as an accomplice? A shocking incident unfolded at LaGuardia Airport in New York on Wednesday. In a bizarre discovery, security personnel found 17 bullets concealed inside a disposable baby diaper, according to the Transportation Security Administration or TSA. The TSA reported that the diaper triggered an alarm in an X-ray machine during a routine security check at the airport. Subsequently, the security team removed the diaper from the passenger's carry-on luggage. The passenger, identified to be a man from Arkansas, was reportedly bound for Chicago. He claimed that he did not know how the bullet-filled diaper ended up in his bag. He even blamed his girlfriend initially. Port Authority police have since cited him for illegal possession of 9mm ammunition. However, this incident is not an isolated one. Airports across the United States are grappling with similar security breaches. Last month at LaGuardia Airport, TSA agents uncovered a .45 caliber pistol and 6 bullets hidden in a pair of shoes within a checked suitcase. Notably, firearms can be checked as luggage as long as they are securely stored in a sealed, hard-sided container. In another alarming case in April, officers found a carry-on bag containing 2 boxes of ammunition totaling over 100 bullets, along with a loaded .22 caliber handgun. The passenger claimed that he had forgotten to remove the gun and ammunition after a visit to a shooting range. He was subsequently arrested and taken to custody. In January of 2021, security checkpoint agents made a startling discovery when they found 13 bullets concealed within a chewing gum packet inside a carry-on bag. According to the TSA, the bullets were ingeniously packed alongside gum pieces. The passenger claimed that the bag belonged to his son and now faces charges of unauthorized possession of ammunition. These incidents highlight the ongoing challenges faced by airport security in preventing the smuggling of weapons and ammunition. The TSA continues to implement stringent measures to ensure the safety of air travel across the country.